Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Well, in this video I'm making V-neck one-piece dress. Um, this is how it's going to look like, and there she looks like. There she is. This is the bottom portion where I'm giving the flare on this one-piece dress. It looks like this at the bottom. You can wear it with a leggings or just simply wear it as a one-piece dress. So at first I'm cutting the front portion, also the neck portion. The front part is this, done. It's done. V cut. It's a V cut. This is the back portion, and then I'll attach it with the front one. This is the sleeve pattern, and I've given a normal sleeves. It's a cotton fabric which you can use it for summer. Working on a sleeve portion. Okay, this is going to be the sleeve, like that. Okay, stitched it, and this is the look of the one-piece dress. Hope you like the video. Thank you guys.